Meaning of holding operation.
Holding operation.
Holding operation.
Holding operation.
Holding operation. A holding operation is a military tactic in which troops maintain a defensive position while waiting for reinforcements or further orders. The goal is to limit losses and maintain control of a particular area without advancing or retreating. The result is often a temporary stalemate, as both sides await a change in circumstances or orders from higher-ups. Holding operations can be effective in buying time, protecting supply lines, and conserving resources, but they can also be risky if the enemy launches a surprise attack or cuts off supply lines.